Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. So firstly, it could be a problem of our audio player. Let's say you use YouTube Music or Spotify, it's the same. Just remove it from the cache and open it again. Maybe it fixes your problem. Also, I recommend it to go to your store, Play Store or App Store, and check if you have the last version of this application. Now, next one is we should check software version if you have the last one. So, open the application, scroll down, go to Device Settings, and then go to the System at the middle top. Scroll down again, and right here we have Update Software, click on this settings icon, and click on Update Status. So I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one. It can fix your problem also. Also, what we can do is to perform a hard reset. So open Settings. Now put your earbuds to the charging case and press and hold this connectional button until you can see that this LED light starts flashing orange. Here we go. Now release your finger and remove your earbuds from the charging case. Firstly, we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And after factory reset, these earphones enter to prank mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list, but we should, I guess, wait. And we have it, just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!